Okay, so it's still cold out here. The heater's running and trying to warm this up a little bit. But today, on this fun-filled holiday season, we're going to try to clean up all the rubber that was left over from cutting out the 3 windows back there and start scraping on some bondo, because I'm curious to see what this looks like completely and what that crap section over there looks like. Not quite sure where else bondo is. We will find more, I'm sure, as we go along. But right now we know there's bondo there, and then seal crap. So yeah, and we get to see if the heat scrape method works on the bondo. Boil some paint while I'm at it too. Catch some seals on fire. Oh. Yep, that's about the bondo line. That's just where I burnt the shit out of the factory white paint. So I'm guessing, I know it was white at some point. This spot right here that's not scraped is the bad spot. Because this, you can see, I pulled back all the bondo to the million layers of paint this car has on it. There's still a little bit of bondo down through here, but it looks like it was bondoed. It was white originally, or some creamy whitish color. Bondoed, then painted black, and then painted black. Because there's like multiple layers of black paint. One's actually like right here. This might be some kind of maybe a sealer or something, but it looks nice. This stuff just flakes off. It's crap. What? No. Talking to myself. That's all pink. Look at that. What the fuck? They put a chunk of bondo. I scraped out a chunk of bondo that was in here for no reason. You can get right up underneath here. Well, yeah, you can. I can get a dolly up underneath there and I can beat that back flat. We'll have to weld in. I don't want the antenna, so.
Garbage.
That hasn't. So it looks like, if the car looks like shit and all the bondo work means, or like where the bondo was on the car, it's already all chipping off and looks like shit in here. So give you a good look at this. She's been sitting here cutting out these seals on the back window, and so far there's been 3.
I have no idea. Well,
Well, that's the normal seal right there. That was the first one you cut out.
There's like 3,
pieces.
maybe 3, 4.
Yeah, there's like layers of seals. So there was the main copper seal, which comes up right here and then of course comes down. But it looks like somebody came up through this backside and siliconed it or something, because it's a different type of material. Yeah, it's real. It totally acts completely different. It acts different to heat. So yeah, I don't know. That's very interesting. It was really bad down through this lower part. So my best guess is this window started leaking at some point, and someone did a quick cheap fix, which was just add more silicone up underneath the back side of it or something. Yeah, she's having fun doing that. And now I get to tackle this section of bondo. God, this is where I'm gonna cry, isn't it? You know, if you're gonna try to spray something and hide something, or make it look halfway decent, shouldn't you, I don't know, just get the color that matches the car? Which is just a flat black spray can? Oh, I paid attention. Okay, so for the previous owner, you can see this dent that I just pulled all that bondo out of. Let me show you something really cool that you can do. Now, obviously, you don't need to put this much heat to it. You can do it with a heat gun without damaging anything. But since I'm down to pretty much metal, just adding some heat into it. It should be good. And watch this. Oh, holy crap, that's so hard. Simply, with the palm of my hand reaching to the inside of the car, I popped out almost, well, that's close. Still low in this spot. But it saves you so much Bondo. Bondo's not cheap. The big part right here, that one's gonna be a little bit harder to get to. That'll take both of us to do it. It'll take both Marina and I. But I'm pretty sure we can reach a dolly in there. Oh yeah, we can get a dolly in there and we can I can get this factory line back for the most part. The line's there, but right after the line it dips down. But yeah, we'll be able to get it back. Oh, all the Bondo gloriness.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you